Hey there, this is your host from ASUS Zenfone Lite L1 development. So in this quick video we will be seeing that how to install Skyhawk recovery project. So yeah, we have Skyhawk recovery project for this device ASUS Zenfone Lite L1. Currently it is in beta stage, or it is an initial build from Inder. Thank you Inder for making this for this device. I haven't personally tried this Skyhawk, so for me also it is a first impression thing. So first, before doing that, I have to mention that I am currently in Covers OS. Whatever OS it is, that's fine. You can directly go to recovery and you can install it as a custom ROM. We made a video on installing Orange Fox recovery on this device. The procedures are same here as well. So first I am rebooting to recovery. Advanced, reboot to recovery. Okay, so once you are in the recovery, it will be apply for TWRP as well. So once you are in the recovery, just go to the folder where you have the file. I have given the link of this file in the description, so you can check and download it. So once you have this one, just select and swipe to install. So as you can see, now we have installed this Skyhawk recovery project, maintainer Inder. So yeah. Yes, so once you have it, just reboot to, instead of rebooting system, just go back and reboot to recovery. Now we have three recoveries. One is TWRP and the second one is Orange Fox and Skyhawk. Only thing now we need is pitch black recovery. That too will come soon, hopefully. This is the logo of this thing. Okay. About. So this is Skyhawk recovery project. So here it is showing some details of this one. And here, this is like install option in this one. You can, I guess you can change the storage here, and this looks more minimal and material design. So here you have wipe, smart wipe. Okay, so like this you can do the wipe thing, and backup restore. We have mount, yeah, and files. This is the file manager, I guess. Okay, you can create the folder. You have this different type of these things. CH mode, here we have the option to change the, I'm not sure whether you can see that one. Here we have the option to change the different permissions and security. You have pattern, you have a password, that's great, and you have a Muggies option here. Okay, then themes. Okay, you have different kind of theme color. Let me choose white background, accent blue. Apply. Okay, just applying it. Oh my god, I did a mistake, I guess. Theme, yeah. Let me choose the black one only. Okay, so I should have done it in okay, it's about black. Okay, everything. I did reset. Okay, there is some issues, I guess. I'm not sure. I'm just resetting it. Hopefully it will boot to the recovery again. Okay, it's booting to recovery now. Okay, so now we have, what mistake I did, I'm not sure. Theme color we have. Okay, so background is black. Oh, okay, it's correct only, right? Okay, I'm just setting it to the text color is black, accent is black. Okay, now let me do this one. Now it is fine. So I made some mistake there. Okay, so we have a theme color, background color is black, text is red, this one is okay, that is fine. Apply. Now it looks cool, I guess, not sure. And we have a reboot option here. You can reboot to anything. Okay, so this is fulfilled. This one you have sideload option, partitions. You can, I guess, okay, you can create a new partition with that one. Okay, that and all I'm not gonna try. So yeah, that's what about this video. And edit EAL mode and recovery. Okay, reboot. Okay, so that's what about this video. And yeah, this one looks cool, and you can try both Orange Fox and this Skyhawk recovery project. Thank you for watching.